Hey, hi. I hope you're doing well. My name is Mehdi. Welcome on this channel. Today, I want to review Skims Ecom marketing strategy, and there are five things that I actually want to highlight today. First one is their product management strategy and what I'm calling the coming soon, just drop dance. Coming soon, just drop. We're gonna check that in this video. Second one is their discounts and promotion strategy. Third one are the fact that they're using trends and edits a lot in their email marketing strategy. Fourth one, their ads. We're going to take a look at what I do believe are the most performing ones. And then five, their website. We're going to take a look at their website and see, the main changes that they're making. And to do this, we're going to use a platform that we created here. And this platform is called Panorama. So let's jump right in and all right, and use the platform to check what Skims doing. All right, Skims, here we go. So that's Skims page on the platform. Basically, the platform allows us to gather a lot of information about their digital marketing strategy. Um, Here we go. So first thing that we're going to see right now is that they're actually sending almost an email per day. At the time that I'm recording this video, we're at the peak of holiday season, so uh, that's why. But here we go. And so I wanted to speak, the very first thing that I wanted to review in their email marketing strategy, here we go, was the famous dance that I was speaking about us earlier, the coming soon, just wrapped dance. And it's pretty obvious right now, actually, where you can see that most of the emails that they're sending are part of this dance, and almost every email they're actually sending to their audience is about product management. So might be just dropped line or product back in stock. Tomorrow we're gonna drop this new product coming soon, restocking soon, just drop, just launch, just drop. So that's part of the dance that I was mentioning. If you check the we go if you check the main new products that they're launching every other day, it always goes from coming soon, just dropped, restocking tomorrow, just restocked, just dropped, and it's that every almost every email. And it's a good reminder for any brand in the fashion industry to actually make sure to give momentum to your product drops. Do not hesitate to send at least one, but why not various emails to announce to your audience that you're going to launch a product. And then the same, when the product is launched, send again an email, two emails, even three if you want to come back at this later. But yeah, given the range that Skims has, they're using this dance a lot. All right. What else? Yeah, I wanted actually to take a look because I find it's interesting because they're using that. See the same. You have the coming soon, just dropped, just dropped. Uh, Coming soon, just dropped. It's really like it's really a dance, and even just for the holiday shop, they're doing the same thing. Launching soon, just launched. All right. Okay, and I wanted to take a look at the main emails that they were sending for. Um, Let me check for no. Gonna go back here. Yeah, for their sale and show you a few examples of these. Then I'm gonna go back there. All right, all right, all right, all right. I see the same. Also wanted to highlight. So Skims is obviously a very huge brand. Um, and you can see here the way that they manage discounts, especially at during the holiday season, for instance, or during Black Friday would be the same thing. That actually do not hesitate to send the very same email at least twice and using the same visual twice. See, that's the case here. That's the case between this one and this one as well. That's the case between this one and this one as well. Even a brand like Skims is sending almost the same emails twice. If you look at those, the only difference between this email and this email is actually the subject line, and they're sent actually the very same day. So do not hesitate, even if you're a smaller brand, to actually use this strategy to make sure that you can send more emails that you're doing usually, which will allow you to surface within your audience's inbox, especially at time when it's hard because a lot of brands are sending a lot of emails. So the more emails you can send, the more chances you're giving yourself to actually being open and seen. So do not hesitate to do that. Skims is doing it, actually doing it, pretty, yeah, pretty good actually, to be fairly honest. Third point that I wanted to highlight, let me see, it should be, so no, that was an example of an email that they're sending. It looks like, it's just before Black Friday 2022. Surprises, the holidays came early. All right, what's that? And coming soon. Yeah, so you can see a real example of one of the discount email that they're sending. Um, all right, so interesting. Okay, let's move on to trends and edits. There are two things also that I wanted to highlight here. It's especially useful for fashion brands, but not only. If you take a look at, all right, I want to have a look at trends and edits on Trend October. Here we are, go. I've opened an edit there. The interesting thing here is that they're actually, from time to time, using, yeah, so every month they're sending an email that says on trend then the month, which actually allows them to recap all the new products that they've sent during the month. So it's a easy topic you can take for your own brand and share with your audience, because everyone would be interested. They're sending email about new products every single day, so at least one time per month you can send an email that says, okay, everything new is in this email. So if you have to open one in 30, here's the one you should open. So that's a super good strategy that they're using, that you should be using too. And edits are a way to, I'd say, bundle or package your products together um, for a certain goal. So you see the Scheme Sleep edit, they're doing it also for the seasons, so the winter, summer and stuff. What else do we have here? The night out edit as well. So it's another way that you can actually, bundle and make sense of your range to your audience using email marketing, send edits, newsletters. Super good strategy. What else? What else? What else? Those are emails. Yeah. Fourth point, the ads. And I actually wanted to, let me check. So I should be looking at some of the ads that they've been publishing, which is okay. But I wanted to have a look at what I do believe are the most performing ads out there. Even if Skims is founded by Kim, obviously, um, some of their ads are actually, just going to cut the sound here, but UGC ads. So ads that actually looks like customers are speaking and talking about the products and showcasing the product. So even a brand founded by a celebrity like Skims is actually on this trend of advertising, which makes sense because it's one of the most performing that we've seen over the last few months, even years now. See, so I do believe that's one of their most performing ads, using subtitles, using several clients in the visual. Here we go again for another one. See here, pretty much the same thing. You don't have to, have all your visuals for ad that are, I'd say, studio ready, or just use an iPhone and have something like this would actually work perfectly. Okay, they have a good lighting, but that's enough for a perfect ad. Same here. See, that's total UGC. I've been if it has been crashing for them as well. So do not hesitate to use these. Works perfectly well. All right. And the last point I wanted to have a look at for schemes was their website and the way that they manage, especially right now, I find interesting for them their homepage, because they're launching a lot of products. And the same, you can see. So this is for the biannual sale. So I guess this is for yeah, 22. No? So that's for, yeah, it's 27th of November for this snapshot. So it's, yeah, the holiday season. That's Black Friday, and that's for the launch of a new product. So you can see right away the way that they update their their website, especially their hero section, and especially for the holiday season, the way that they've done the new skim sale, gift, the panty shop and stuff. So that's interesting. Okay, all right. We reviewed a lot of things, interesting things about schemes. I do hope that it was useful for you. Let me know in the comments if you have any kind of question. Let me know as well. Send me a message. Find me on LinkedIn, or just go on panoramata.co, book a demo, and I'll be on the other side of the call. Otherwise, my last advice is actually to subscribe to the channel, because we're doing these kind of videos a lot. And if it was interesting for you, I'm pretty sure that you'll learn a tons of things in the future. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.